Hello and welcome. This is Chad Beauvais, and I'm here to show you our exciting catalog widget. This thing is really neat and really powerful. It lets you create a list of products that are optimized for mobile so customers can purchase them directly from their phones, and it's got shipping and payment options built right in. So as you can see on the right here, we have a website for women's accessories. And if you open up the catalog widget, you'll see we have 3 items. And if we wanted to add a new one, it's super easy. Just simply click the add a new item. Let's go ahead and make a women's ring. So we want this ring to be $50 currently, but we want it to look like it's on sale. So we're going to set the original price to $75, and that's going to cross out and put it right next to it so it gives it the illusion like it's on sale. And we can go ahead and give it a title right here and give it an abstract. You don't even have to put main text if you don't want. That's the beauty of the system. It's very flexible, but you should probably put an image or even a video you can upload as well. You can drag and drop your image or browse to the folder and upload it. And then once we hit save, you'll see how fast that was. We now have our ring right there. Beautiful ring with a shining stone. There's the price for $50, and then it's crossed out. So it looks like it's on sale, and you can set the quantity right here, add that to your cart, and then customers would then be able to set, their shipping options and payment, and it's that easy.